We're at the Cloquet River Campground and Park off of Highway 53. You can see the sign right here. Gonna show a little bit of what Highway 53 looks like. An easy identification point to find this. You can see right here in the background, there we go. There is a park and ride right there. The campground is set off Highway 53, so you're not getting that nasty road noise and everything, but you'll just go back over here. I did drive back there to check it out real quick. I was not able to find the office area. I did call and leave them a voicemail that I'm gonna be recording. So let's see how this looks, and I did see their bathhouse and everything, so let's go check it out. I'm outside the Cloquet River Campground and Park. I did find one of the co-owners, and I told her right off the bat that I wasn't able to find their office, and I was trying to get permission to record the video, and I was asked to leave. So we're not going to be able to continue with this campground. It is a misfortune of how things turned out, but so officially Shrek Travel is not going to recommend this campground for the way that I was treated, specifying that I'm a veteran and everything like that. So we're gonna go on to the next campground. Just so you do know, I did run open signal there. I ran 3 different tests. One, which was my best one, I got 7 megabytes down and 400 kilobytes up. And then the other 2 tests, I couldn't get anything, and I was getting latency in the 14 and 1700s. Don't know if that was an issue with open signal or if it was just poor reception out in this area. All right, let's go to the next campground. I'm right outside the office at the Red Pine Campground in Saginaw, Minnesota, and we're just gonna show you real quick how the inside of the office looks. Go inside here to get all set up, and they do have really cool hoodies. I don't know how much these things are, but I love the design that they've got, and very cool hats. So I love stuff like that. All right, let's check out this amazing campground. We'll check out the bathhouse, check out how the internet works and everything of that, just like we do at every campground. I'm real excited because this campground, just as you roll up to the office, it is immaculate and gorgeous. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. I look forward to this. All right, I know we said that we're gonna go to the bathhouse and all that, but on my way there, I saw this gorgeous view. Here's all the campgrounds you can see, and there we go. Can you see? Really? That is a cool experience. Just being able to see ducks, geese, all that kind of stuff, just moseying around. And now check out this beautiful little lake. Well, I say it's little, but it's pretty good size. The sites look very level. I haven't seen an open one yet to show you what it's got for setups. I do see, if we can do this without showing anybody's information or anything, they have picnic tables. They do have fire pits. I see insulated water connections, and it looks like it does have 30 and 50 amp hookups, and I'll try to double check that for you. If there's anything different, I'll put it in the comments or a little blurb right there, and let's get moving. I found the bathhouse, and it's got a little game room here. There's a TV. Oh, there's 2 TVs, my bad. And a pool table, some chairs, a vending machine, which in the middle of campground comes in handy. There's a coffee machine, microwave, sink, all that stuff. I also did find it's got the laundry room. Let's see, how much do these cost? $1.50 for the washing machine. I don't see how much the dryer is. About $1.25. We're still underneath that $1 or $5 per load, so that's really good. And there actually is somebody showering in the men's, so we're gonna check out the woman's bathroom here. And I will say I did go in the men's area. It is really nice, very clean. I'm very impressed with how immaculate this campground is. But let's see, we got, all right, turn on this light. Okay, of course, toilet, and a really big shower area. And I don't know who pick the tiles and stuff in here, but it all looks brand spanking new, and it is really nice. I really like the style. So I'm gonna go outside and show you the outside of the building, so that way you can locate it when you come, and then I'll also run the Open Signal app so we can see how the internet is here at this campground. I'm outside the bathhouse. I just ran the Open Signal app. I did it on the AT&T network, and they were really nice to give me the password to their campground internet. So you can see now how this is. And just so you know, on the AT&T network, I got 40 megabits down and 2.4 up, which is pretty darn good. On their network, which is going to be more constant than, you know, your cell phone signal. So it's 8 down and 8 up, and their latency was 20. For campground internet, that's really good. I was very impressed. The owner told me that they are constantly struggling trying to make the internet the best they can. And also, I did get to speak to one of the people that is staying here. She told me it's great, it's quiet, the views are amazing, and she did tell me also that the owners are increasing their filtration system for the water. It is a well water. If you grew up in the country, I'm sure you know that well water can always be some sort of struggle or something. I like well water a lot better than city water, so I'm used to it, but they are trying to add more filtration systems. The campgrounds right here, if I can show part of this site right here on how beautiful this is, they have a nice, really nice fire pit. And just as I go through this campground, seeing the little attention to details through it, this is really great place. I would highly recommend you coming and checking this out if you're ever in Saginaw, Minnesota. I found a cool fun spot, and it seems like every single site around here has some sort of water by it. So I have no idea what this game is. If you know, please post in the comments. I do see horseshoe, I see a scoring system. Oh, here we got beanbag toss with the Red Pine Campground logo on it, which is real cool. A really nice picnic pavilion. Kids playhouse, and then an area for your kids to play. And I've gotten to talk to a few of the people around here, and they're really polite. They have that real I'm in a camper mentality of we're just nice to everybody. I've really enjoyed coming out here, and I want to say thank you to the owners for allowing me to videotape here, because it was a cool experience. And I've grown up actually in this area, so I am so shocked to see such a beautiful campground in this area, because, well, let's face it, when I come to the area, I can put my camper at tons of family members that I have and friends, and so I never really get to go to the campgrounds in this area. All right, we'll check out some other campgrounds maybe. I'm Shrek, and please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Now we are at the RV camping park, and right here is Hermantown liquor store, and it says the RV park office is inside there, and it's closed right now, so we're not going to go too much over this campground. It is not a huge campground, nice quiet place. I did drive through it to check it out. It does have nice level spots for what I could tell without going and walking around. I did open up Open Signal, and it's 45 down and 6 up, which is pretty good if you're running on the AT&T app. And remember, that is for your internet. And you can kind of see from here that it is a nice quiet campground, and it does give me that feeling of more of a contractor campground, which I personally like those a lot. They're great if you're working in the area or anything like that. I didn't see any bathhouses. I didn't see any playgrounds. And I will say that this is right off Highway 53. I'm really close to 53 standing right now, so you're hearing the roads and everything, I'm sure that as you go towards where the campers are, it's much more quieter. But this is a great campground for your contractors, in my opinion. But don't take always my word for it. I'm not going through the campground. I didn't see the owner. I left him a phone call yesterday, or sorry, a voicemail yesterday, and I didn't get a call back. I understand this is the busy time of the year, so I don't usually get a call back. But all right, well, I'm Shrek and happy camping. If you like this video, please subscribe, and please watch the other campground tours that I've done.